Hey guys, how's it going? This is Tyler Peterson here at Cordelius Chiropractic. I'm the local LCA. Today we're going to be going over foam rolling. Now, this is what your foam roller probably looks like at home. This is garbage, so throw that away. We don't need that. This is the Rollga. The Rollga is the best foam roller, and we actually have them here. Why it's so great is because these grooves are specifically designed to help target the muscles and get away from the bone. Why that's amazing is when you roll on your back, there are grooves for your spine to roll down. Those little bumps that come down the back of your low back and in your neck, those are called your spinous process. So it allows them to rest in here rather than rolling directly on it, causing bruising. Same thing with your shoulder blades, especially when you're rolling on that low back. Now we have 3 different colors here. This is soft, this is hard, and this is standard. Usually you're gonna be about as soft to a standard. Not many people are hard. So we're gonna take our standard, and I'm gonna show you how to foam roll your low back. You're gonna take the Rollga, you're gonna put it just above your belt line, and you're gonna line up those 2 bumps in the roller right outside your spine. So from there, you're gonna lay back on the foam roller. And this is a little bit more of a balancing act. You're gonna get better at it the more you do it. So, starting off, you're gonna use your legs to pull your body down, bring your arms up overhead, and bring it back down. And just go through this nice fluid movement. Now, if you start to notice the foam roller is moving away from the correct positioning, sit up, reposition, and try again. So I'm getting all up and down my low back. Raise those arms up overhead, really target that thoracic spine. And then there are other multiple ways you can use the foam roller. For instance, these grooves are nice for rolling out your shins. So you can kneel on the foam roller and roll up and down on the front of those shins. And then you can take the foam roller, you can use the middle groove, target that IT band. That might be a little bit difficult to get with traditional foam roller, because this helps to avoid the bone. It gives your femur a nice little slot to roll through. And then my personal favorite is the glute. Sit on the 2 bumps of the foam roller. Take one leg, cross it over, turn towards, and then you can get all up and down the side of that glute medius, which is usually a muscle that's tight on people because we're sitting so much at home.